I just got back from the store. I got this. This is from Dominican Republic. I got peppers and I got onions. And I already had these Scotch bonnet peppers that I got like a week ago. They're still good though. They've been in the fridge. And I'm about to make chicken stew. Normally I make it with tomatoes, but when I make it with tomatoes, it goes bad quickly. Not like I'm cooking a bunch of food to last for weeks. I'll probably just cook enough to last for like the next 2-3 days. I want it to taste really good, so I'm probably gonna use all of these onions to cook the chicken. This one to cook the chicken, and then this one to fry the peppers together to make the stew. And I'm gonna eat it with sweet potatoes because I only have sweet potatoes. I was supposed to get the small tomatoes because that's what I put in my eggs, but I didn't make a list of the things that I need, and I need to start doing that because gas is expensive. So now I need to go back to the store to get tomatoes when I could have just gotten it if I made a list. And that's why like prioritizing things matter. But yeah, so I'm not really gonna walk you guys through the process. I'm just sharing what I'm doing today. I'll probably just let you guys see what it looks like when I'm done. But yeah, I'll show you guys how I put it together, but not everything. I gotta tie the hair up. Now we're ready to begin. I always wonder what it's like with people that have really long dreads their entire life, because having long hair is hard to manage, but you manage it anyways. I desperately need a pedicure. Now let's mix them. Just like that, we are done. I'm gonna keep that on for like 5 to 8 more minutes. And yeah, this is how you know you're done. I still have to cook my sweet potatoes, but I'm gonna go get high right now. I'm gonna relax. You feel me? Yeah. So apparently I'm not done, actually. I have to boil this, but I mean, that's all.